Hey guys, I did 3 transactions today at Dollar General, 1 gain deal, and I spent a total of $14.95. So let me show you my first deal. I got 2 of the Febreze. This isn't a gain deal, so I got the Downy scent. I got 1 fabric softener for $3.95 with a $2 digital, and 1 of the $3.95 detergents. I got the Chloe brand razors that are $5 and we have a $4 digital. And then I got the Oral-B, which are $2.25, and we have a $2 digital. And everything came to $26.85, and my total came down to $5.85. So everything came off perfectly. Oh, in this transaction, I also got a sparkle. Sorry, I just noticed there was a sparkle in there. I thought something was missing. So there was a sparkle, and then plus all that, and then the sparkle had a $1.25 coupon, and that came off. So yes, $5.85 out of pocket. So there's that one, and then I'll show you my gain deal next. So first thing I got was the big 75-ounce gain, which is $7.50. I got the dryer sheets, which are $3.95 with a $2 digital. The Febreze, on this one you need to get gain scent because I'm going to do the 5 off of 20 gain. So I got 2 of those, and I got a gain fling, and I had 1 paper coupon for this. Oral-B again, and the Crest. Something's on there. So everything before coupons for this transaction came to $26.65, and then everything came off and I paid $3.65 for that deal and saved $23. So that's a great deal for gain. Remember to use your 5 off of 20 gain and your 5 off of 25 store coupon, and that's how you get that lower out of pocket on Saturday. And then the last transaction I did was not a gain deal, just a 5 off of 25, because on one of my accounts I found that I had that sparkle coupon. So I got those 2 with this $4 with a $3 digital. Then I got 1 of the $3.95 detergents, $3.95 fabric softener, 2 Febreze. I got the Always Discreet liners that are 3 with a $2 digital, a Crest Plus, 3 with a $2 digital, and then the Oral-B again. I'm trying to stack up on these because I'm basically paying like 12 cents for them. Very cheap. So that deal came out good. It was exactly $26.15, and then I paid $5.15, and all the coupons came off as well. I noticed the app isn't working again today. I don't know why they do that on Saturdays, but luckily yesterday I had checked all my accounts and wrote everything down. So I think that's what we're going to have to be doing because it worked perfectly all week until today. So you guys got to prepare before Saturday. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.